Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back again, Tech Stars. So today, inshallah, we are diving into more basic tags of HTML. So in the last video, we talked about headings, we talked about paragraph and strong and emphasis tags. So if you have not watched the last videos, I'm going to link it to this video. You'll see it somewhere at the top of this video. So you can click on it, watch that before you actually come back to watch this one to understand the uh, process. All right. So now, today we'll be looking at other basic HTML tags. So which inshallah will consist of list. So let's start with list tag. List tag is a great way to organize your information. Like you want to have a list of something, we all know what that means. So and when you want to write a list of something on your on any document, you can either use the bullet point on, or you can just use the numbered list. So in this case, when you want to use the bullet point type of list, so it is called unordered list. It is called unordered list. But when you want to use the numbered one, it is called ordered list. All right, so to start, let me quickly put an heading to it. So, and this heading, I'm going to call it unordered list. So the bullets. All right. Let's view our web page so that you can see the code very well. All right. So when we're talking about unordered list, so this is it here. So how do we write unordered list? To do unordered list, the very first tag you need to declare is UL and enter. Henceforth, I will not need to be typing everything from the angular bracket and all of that, all these forward slash, no. So I'll be using shortcuts most times. And for shortcut or a shortcut of most of these tags is just by knowing the first letter or the first two letters. So it's going to give you a lot of suggestions. So the first thing is you declare UL tags, and UL standing for unordered list. Then you click enter. Then you put your list one after the other by typing LI, then enter. For those of you using your Android phone, you're going to, on that, there are a lot of inbuilt buttons and keypad on that TrebEdit. So you're going to see most of these basic tags there. So you're going to see most of these basic tags there. Just click on it. It's going, just click on the one that says LI, it's going to generate it for you. Click on UL when you need it, it's going to generate it for you. Now, you have declared your UL tag saying on ordered list, then list number one. What is the first thing you want to put on your list? Let's say milk. Put, let's say chicken. Can you see that on your browser? So you have milk, rice, chicken, the list continue like that. Fill the number of lists you want to have, and it is coming point, in a bullet point format, right? Let's go to the next one, which is ordered list. We can just repeat the whole of this. When you highlight everything, if you have to rewrite some tags repeatedly as a developer, there are a lot of shortcuts you need to know. So for this, once you highlight this same thing you want to repeat, you just need to say Shift Alt, then arrow down. So you're going to repeat it. Having done that, I just need to change this to ordered, which is O, and then change this bullet to numbers. So numbers, then this UL, I want to change it to OL, Control D it will pick the next UL too. Then I'm changing it to OL, meaning that you will use OL tag to declare ordered list. Immediately I did all of this, you can see it from our browser that we already have this. You can repeat this to the number of 100 and it's going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 100. So let's change this to another thing. So let's say you want to have a list of some things on your website. You may want to list, uh, we use this unordered list mostly to write the menu. So most of the menu you see on your app, on on your website, all those web pages that you see menu, they use unordered list to declare them. But having done that, there is a way you're going to style it using the CSS to remove this dot dot dot. That is why you don't see dot 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 with menu that are there when a menu is being listed. All right. Don't forget the LI stand for list item. UL stand for unordered list. Then OL stand for ordered list. Alhamdulillah, now you know how to add the list either on ordered list or ordered list to your web page. If this video was helpful to you, please click the like button, share it with your fellow coders, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. We'll be building a mini project soon, inshallah. So stay tuned. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu